Ever feel like your life is just running on autopilot?
Your brain is driving the bus, but who's actually at the wheel? Yeah.
Let's pop the hood and find out. Think of your life as this bus. It's moving smoothly along the road, following a fixed route.
Sounds pretty convenient, right? Just sitting back while life happens.
But look closely at the driver's seat. There are no hands on the wheel.
That's your autopilot. 95% of your daily actions are just pre-programmed habits, driving you forward while you're just along for the ride. To understand why, we need to look at this. To understand how to change, we first need to look at the two parts of the human mind, the conscious and the subconscious.
The conscious director, 10%. That's you right now. Logical, analytical, and great at making plans. This is the one who decides, starting Monday, I'm only eating kale. But here's the catch. The director gets tired fast. He runs on a tiny, expensive battery.
The subconscious engine room, 90%. This is your autopilot. It's massive, lightning fast, and couldn't care less about your kale plans. It runs on habits, memories, and instincts. It's what keeps you breathing and makes you automatically reach for the chips when Netflix starts.
But why does the director give up so easily? Simple. Conscious thinking is expensive. Your brain is an energy hog.
Exactly. To save power, your brain tries to outsource everything to the autopilot. By 4 p.m., after a day of decisions, your director battery is in the red zone.
Your autopilot doesn't care about your goals. It's keeping you stuck on the same old road. That's when the autopilot takes over and says, forget the gym, let's stay on the couch.
The question is, who's really driving? The autopilot is lazy. It always takes the path of least resistance. So, to take control, you have to design your environment. Make the good habits easy. Want to read more? Put your book right on your pillow in the morning.
And make the bad habits hard. Want to eat less candy? Hide it in the garage, deep behind the Christmas decorations. When your autopilot hits a speed bump like a cold garage and heavy boxes, your director finally wakes up and says, is this really worth it? The next step is to talk to your brain in code using if-then logic. Instead of a vague goal like being positive, try, if I feel stressed in traffic, then I will take one deep breath. Repeat this, and the engine room installs it as a new script.
But for the ultimate power move, you need an identity shift. Stop saying I'm trying to quit sugar and start saying I am a person who chooses health. When you change your I am, your autopilot updates all its programs to match that new profile.
Next time, we're going even deeper into the brain's physical mechanics.
We'll explore the science of neuroplasticity.
You don't want to miss it.